Hello guys, sama kayo. Road trip kami. Papuntang South Padre Island. First time namin. Kinuha mo yung card mo? Yan, lunch kami dito sa barbecue. Smokehouse. Hey guys, we're going on a road trip to South Padre Island. This is our first stop. Frasex Smokehouse. Lunch.
Rice salad, oh. Kakaiba.
Rice salad?
Oo.
Okay guys, back on the road again after lunch. Usually, I take a nap, so I feel sleepy after eating lunch. But how can you sleep with this? The trim that I put on this side of the windshield has come off, so I need to stop for quick repair. Maybe a double-sided tape or something to put it back in place. Ito sa ano nila, no, local na auto parts store. So walang, hindi AutoZone, hindi advanced auto, ano sila, local lang to. And napansin ko ang babait nila. Tatlo yung lalaki sa loob. Tinulungan nila ako. I mean, tinanong nila ako anong problema ko. Sabi ko, my window trim, my windshield trim is flapping and I need something to hold it down. Then niresearch pa nila sa computer nila and eto sinuggest nila, no? Ito sinuggest nila and sinabihan pa ako paano install. 10 minutes daw cure time. Ayan, kaya pinapaano ko muna. Inibilad ko, ayun. This is the store, AOC. And let's see. So guys, nandito namin sa South Padre Island. First time namin dito. Last time nag-camping kami ni AJ sa Boca Chica, yung sa SpaceX. Magkatabi lang yun. Pero ito yung South Padre Island, ito yung beach side, yung maraming beach dito. Anyway, 6 hours to from our place. And late na kami nag-decide kanina kung saan kami pupunta. Pinagpipilian namin, San Antonio, Dallas. Gusto ko na magtanong. Sabi niya, miss ko, mainit eh. Gusto niya may tubig. Kanina lang din ako nag-book. Minsan yung biglaan, yun yung natutuloy eh. So eto nga, natuloy na. The Port Isabel Lighthouse.
Ay, ang ganda.
Yeah.
Ang tao.
Watch the light.
Dito ang tourist trap dito.
Ayan. We can pass by when we get home.
Doon sila sa taas.
South Padre Island, the other side of the bridge. Look how long the bridge is. Saan tayo pupunta? Okay guys, ito yung nakuha kong room, no? Last minute lang kanina. So iba-vlog ko na habang malinis pa. So siguro matagal na rin tong building na to pero ni-renovate nila. Itong restroom mukhang bago yung flooring, bago yung toilet, bago to. Yung tub, bago. Okay. Tapos malaki yung size niya, no? Alin, malaki yung size, 'di ba? Kasi may couch pa siya, oh. So actually pwede ka pang matulog dito eh. Tapos dalawang queen beds, may microwave and ref, TV, table, charging stations. Importante to, no? Lalo may anak. I think I paid $82 per night. Hindi na masama. Bakit? Kasi start na ng pasukan. Yun ang maganda magbakasyon. Start na ng pasukan. Sila AJ mag-start pa next week pero may mga pumasok na ngayon. Kaya parang tapos na yung summer season. Yan. Okay guys, time check. It's 7:30 p.m. We're going to the beach. So we're looking for the beach access. So we got out there. They have a separate access over here. You need your card. Video card for comfort guests only. Nice.
Yes.
Nice. I can smell the sea. So this right of way is for comfort suites only. Comfort suites customers only. This access.
Yes.
Customers. Huh.
Ano tayo nagdala ng ano?
Di naman maaraw eh.
Tayo nagdala ng...
Ganda.
Ito, ang ganda oh, sa...
Here. Look at the sand.
Ayun.
Let's check the water. Let's check the water, AJ. Go. Ano to? Golden hour, Alin. Let's check the water. Let's check the water. Ooh. Mas malinaw. It's cleaner than Galveston. Guys, okay guys, dito kami sa beach. Nakakatuwa, natutuwa ako. Kasi ang linis ng tubig, malinaw, and nakakatuwa dahil nasa Texas, no? Ang laki ng depression niya sa Galveston tsaka sa Surfside Beach na pinupuntahan namin. Malinaw talaga. Parang okay na sa akin to kahit hindi ganun kaputi yung sand katulad sa Florida. Hindi mo naman kailangan bumiyahe din ng 12 hours papunta Florida. 6 hours pwede na to. Hi guys, we're just walking around after our short trip in the beach and looking for dinner. And we saw this place, Gabriela's. Okay guys, day 2, no? Breakfast muna kami. And I was surprised na maganda yung breakfast dito. Hindi ko naman na-expect dahil mura lang yung hotel. At least may protein sila, no? Meron silang bacon tsaka egg. No? Mga previous na mga hotels namin, alam, mga bagels eh. So kompleto siya. Merong bacon, eggs, tsaka waffle, tapos may fruits din doon. Okay, so ayan, tapos harap namin yung swimming pool. Walking along Port Isabel, and this is the lighthouse. Lighthouse. Causeway. Mercado Farm. What? Picture. Where? Oo nga. Dolphin watch yan. It's a nice place. Now try this dolphin watch. Let's go. It's hot. Hi guys. We're on the boat. Okay. Okay. there's fish.
Fish?
Yep. Yep. And small crabs. Small crabs. No, no, don't leave it.
Balik ka sa dagat.
Yeah. We look for the rock shrimp. Okay, this is a rock, crab rock. This is a baby one. But these guys, they grow about this big, and you can eat them like a crab, boil them. See that big one crab? His claw?
Yeah.
His claw becomes this big. Okay. And then this one, got his eye right here. This is a male. All the females right now are having pregnant. They have an orange package outside. Wanna fight it?
No, no. Hi guys, we saw the dolphins.
This
And like
small one's
4
can
of
eat
them.
around 20-25 pounds a day. Juvenile dolphins, they're between 2
Yeah.
and 3, 4 years old.
You know.
Stop putting it in my hand.
AJ, there you go. And wow. Wow.
Stripes.
They get that close, there are people watching. The dolphins, there are people watching.
They know. Alright guys, nakakita kami ng dolphin sa wakas. Nakakatawa pa, eto nalulungkot na. Sabi niya, oh pangalawang beses natin to ah. Kasi yung sa Florida, nagbayad kami, mas mahal pa yan, di ba? Tapos advance reservation pa, no? Eh dito, pupunta ka lang eh, show up ka lang eh, no? Wala, mas maano dito, mas sulit, grabe. 10 times na sulit. Tapos yung dolphins, nagpaitang gilas pa, nagtatalon. Nakakatawa sila kasi para sila mga aso sa dagat, mga puppies na naghahanap ng attention na alam daw nila pag kami mga humans na nanonood eh. Lalo silang exhibition eh. Nakakatuwa lang. So, tsaka mga talaga sila mababait. Sulit na sulit. Magkano yan dito? 18 ang adult. Tayong tatlo. $50 tayong tatlo. Doon sa Florida, $80 isang tao. Wala pa kami nakita. So, sulit. Sabi ko, okay. Kahapon pagdating namin sa South Padre Island, gustong gusto ko na. Sabi ko, pwede ako bumalik dito. Lalo ngayon, may dolphins pala talaga rito. Mas mura lang. Okay guys. No, we're good. We're good. Thank you.
We're good. Yeah, we're good.
Sure.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Hey, me first. Highly recommended. Dolphin Docks.
Like.
Hi, thank you. Done with the lunch. Okay guys, after a 2-hour power nap, we are ready to go to the beach. Ano? Right, we're here. Okay guys, let me show you the water of South Padre Island. See my feet. Clean and clear. Big difference from Galveston and Surfside Beach, Texas. See, you can see my feet. Cements. Okay, okay guys, naglakad kami siguro half a mile para lang magpatuyo. Ito, nakita ko tong hotel na to sa online, pinagpipilian ko to eh. Buti na lang hindi ko to kinuha. Mura siya, kaso wala siyang breakfast at saka wala siyang beach access. Yung beach nasa kabila. So kung pupunta ka sa beach, checking ka dito, magda-drive ka. And ba't kami naglakad hanggang dito? Kasi miss ko gusto ma-witness yung sunset dito, dun sa tubig. Hi guys, dinner time at Daddy's. So this is pasta. This is the Islander. It's a fish fillet with island sauce. And we got the Veracruz blackened fish. Oh, masarap yan. Daddy's. It's our third day here and our uh, breakfast before going home. They don't have bacon, they have sausage, but still good, right? Sarap pa din. Okay guys, dito po nagtatapos yung 3-day, 2-night vacation trip namin dito sa South Padre Island. And definitely babalik kami. Ano, nagustuhan mo? Gusto mo dito?
Babalik na.
Babalik tayo. Ano? Maganda yung lugar, maganda yung hotel.
Jet ski pa ako.
Sige, Jess. Ikaw, para sa ilin ka na rin. Lahatin mo na. Para ka Richard Gomez. Sige, bye-bye. Right guys, going home. The bridge. Isabella Causeway. Queen Isabella Causeway. Reminds me of Florida. Yep. Don't drop my phone, please.
Open sea.
That's where the sun sets in the west.
Ganda yung clouds.
Sa kawalan. Sa kawalan. At the other side is Port Isabel.